Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jonah again, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my DIY trip from Germany to Switzerland by train. But before we start, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. One of my bucket lists is to take a train, and going to Switzerland really made that bucket list ticked off. So let me walk you through on how I did it. So I found a very useful app in order for you to book a train, and that is the Umiyo app. So let me show you how it's done. So you just go to Umiyo app and then select the name of the city where you're gonna come from. So I come from Frankfurt and I'm going to Sierre, Switzerland. Alright, then click on search, select the date of your intended trip. Click on search, and there you will see the schedules of the trains that is available on that date. You can also choose the buses, but on that date there is no available bus. You can also select flights and you can compare prices there. So this is really a very useful app. So from here I am choosing the best schedule for me and the best price. There is also an option for you, or you can also choose an option where you have limited changes. But mostly I found that there are only 3 or 4 changes. Therefore, we're gonna change trains. So from here, I've selected a schedule at 2:20 p.m. and it will show 3 changes from there. So it's from Frankfurt to Basel, Basel to Bern, Bern to Visp, and Visp to Sierre. So let's select that, and it will route you to a page where you can select a second class with no fee, and you can also reserve a seat for additional price of €4. So from here, if you choose a seating preference, you can choose an aisle or the one with a table. And then after that, just input your information and then select your payment method. You can choose your credit card or debit card. And once you have successfully paid, it will provide you a receipt and an electronic ticket. I'm going to show you how the electronic ticket looks like. So I have a past booking here, and let me show it to you. So this is how it looks like, and you can present this just in case the police will have a random check at the train station. Hello guys, I'm waiting for another train, and oh my gosh. You know, I'm literally thinking right now, we're waiting for the train. Oh, hindi ako makapag-vlog nito.
Vorsicht bei der Einfahrt.
There. So, waiting for the train going to Switzerland. Make sure you have enough time to transfer trains, and if in case you get lost or confused, that one serves as a guide para malaman mo kung saan gate ka pupunta. Information like that are pretty normal on every train stops, and if in case you still get confused, some of the train stops has an information center, or you can also ask other commuters and you don't have to worry because they can understand and speak English as well. And don't forget to enjoy the sceneries, guys. I've enjoyed the scenery so much that I forgot to take my lunch, and luckily, I found a bakery on the next train stop. I've got euros though, at kapag nasa Switzerland border ka na, francs na ang ginagamit nilang currency. They accept euros, however, don't complain kapag ang isusukli nila is in francs. And that's how their bakeries look like. I also got coffee with me. I've always wanted to try the croissant in Europe, so there you go, I've got my croissant. So their croissant normally cost €1, or that's approximately 62 pesos or less. At saka yung coffee nila would normally cost €3, so that's 180 pesos up. Ang galing. Ang ganda. Ang sarap. Konti lang ang pasahero nila that time, maybe because it's afternoon or maybe because it's pandemic that they have lesser passengers. And I was able to choose a seat close to the window or near the window where I enjoy the scenic views.
Viaggiatori in direzione di Zweisimmen e Interlaken.
And finally, I arrived in Switzerland safely. I hope that you guys learned something. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to my channel, and see you again in my next journey.